Oh, wait. Wait, what? Can you guys just take your shoes off? Why? Please just take your shoes off. There's plastic on the carpet. The plastic protects your shoes. Guys, please just take your shoes off. My hair's set. Take off. My hair's set. Take it off. Roll me in the door so we can pick them up later. Hey, but guys, come on, check my house out. And we have a fish? Hey guys, I'm gonna go put my jam on, alright? We guys just stay here. Okay. Alright, hey, don't do anything dumb, alright? Okay. Hey, look! Like my friend Joe Bot's house.
Yo. John, what is this thing? You're Asian too, right? Like, what is it?
Susie, how much do I have to tell you? Yeah, I'm Asian. Damn. Mama can't love you. Yeah, man, it's all dark and handsome. Okay. Alright. I want that man who's doing the girls thing. Lift it up and speak for yourself. Yeah, lift it up.
Okay, I'll lift it up.
Oh!
Ew.
Put it back. Put it back. Hey, dude, they got a bunch of cool stuff here. Oh, yeah. Look, they got like Hey, is that the name Boo?
That is the name Boo. My cousins are in that.
Really?
Yeah.
Look. Yeah, look.
Oh, what?
Big fork, big spoon.
Where's the knife?
I don't know.
I guess they got it.
I don't know.
Where's Artie at?
Artie. You got a lot of DVDs. Hey guys, sorry I'm back. So, you guys doing alright? Yeah. You got a bunch of weird things. Like, look at that. And we'll stand over there. Hey guys, you know what? I don't know. Hey guys, wait, I think my mom's calling me. Let's go eat. Come on, hey, come eat. Let's eat. Guys, I don't know. Come on, let's go eat. You sure it's fish? Yeah, let's go eat. Okay. Great.